Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a crispy cinnamon roll-up. This is a really easy breakfast, snack, dessert that is low carb and really delicious. 4 ingredients you're going to need. I love to use these EggLife Cinnamon Tortillas. Super, super delicious. And what I love is that they are low in carb, high in protein because of the egg whites. Not sponsored, but I just really, really enjoy them. And they have the sweet cinnamon flavor, which is really nice for this cinnamon dessert. If you don't have this in your local grocery store, if you can't find EggLife, first of all, they sell them online, but you can also just get a low carb tortilla. I've used Mission Foods low carb or zero carb tortillas. Those work great as well. You're also gonna need some cream cheese. I don't like to use the low fat. I don't really like to use low fat milk products in general because they always have some additive in there. So cream cheese. We're also gonna use some Swerve confectioner sugar. This is a stevia powdered sugar. I've linked it in the description below on Amazon if you're interested in purchasing. And also this is some cinnamon. You can either use pumpkin pie spice or cinnamon, but cinnamon goes much better with this in particular. First thing we're going to do, and this is really, really easy, just a really quick dessert if you're looking for something kind of like a cinnamon roll, but much, much better for you. I'm gonna take 2 of the tortillas and just put them on a cutting board. We're gonna take our cream cheese and spread it on the tortilla. Now these EggLife ones are a little more fragile than a regular low carb tortilla. So don't, go too crazy when you're spreading. Just be careful to not open the tortilla or break it in any piece. I've spread the cream cheese on the tortilla. I'm now gonna take my cinnamon and dump it in with the powdered sugar, and we are gonna combine this together. Now you can use granulated sweetener if you want, but I think that the powdered sugar does a lot better with the next step, which is going to be pan frying it. That way you don't get any kind of like granules of sugar or anything like that, but you do get the sweetness that you need. And like I said before, this is a very, very low carb dessert, basically 1 to 2 net carbs, depending on the cream cheese, because each of the egg white wraps are 1 net carb, and this is 0 net carb. I'm gonna take my powdered sugar cinnamon blend and I'm just going to put it all over the tortilla. We're now gonna take our tortillas and roll them up, just like this. I'm heating a nonstick pan on low-medium heat, and I'm gonna take some unsalted butter, and we're gonna melt it in the pan. Once your pan is nice and hot, you're gonna take your cinnamon roll-up and place it with the fold side down into the pan. We're gonna let this cook in the butter, get nice and crispy on the outside. Give it about a minute or 2 per side. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. Not only are we crisping up the tortilla, but we are also letting the cream cheese get nice and warm. We're gonna flip our tortillas over to let them crisp up on the other side. I'm moving around the tortilla around the pan because I want to let it soak up that butter. That just adds a lot of delicious flavor. Our cinnamon roll-ups are ready. I've cut the heat. Let's plate them and taste them. And there you have it, a really easy dessert or tasty sweet breakfast, low carb, keto friendly, and in under 5 minutes, guys. I'm so excited to eat this. It almost resembles like a cream cheese cinnamon sugar crepe. That's kind of what the flavor profile is. Let's cut a little piece right here. We can see that that cream cheese is nice and melty. Cheers. If you wanted, you could also add some powdered sugar just for presentation purposes. It's so simple. If you love cinnamon, you love a sweet breakfast, or you love a really, really easy dessert, like a last minute dessert, this is perfect for you. I can't wait to see what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.